So I'll just run through a few options in regards to joining your standard cable tray. The first one I'll show you is the traditional roofing bolt or gutter bolt, and I'll do them via wrap rounds, and for the purpose of the demonstration I'll just do them going in rather than out. I'll just give that a tweak. So the next option is your tray bolt, which has a posi head, and it works with the nut that has the serrated back on it. What I like about this one is no big flat screwdriver. Nice and quick with a driver. Done. How quick was that? I'll quickly now demonstrate the straight coupler, which you can obviously use for both systems. Again, nice and quick as before. And done. So the next system I'll show you is the new Turlock system, the tray bite system, which is nut free, which is good. So you put your couplers on first. This is the wrap round style. This system will only work with the thread bite bolts, but as you can see, I mentioned earlier, nut free. Super quick. So as you can see, 2 on each side. You can put more obviously, but super solid. You can also go down through the tray as well. And you can also use these tray bite straight couplers with the same system. So hopefully that helps. However, if you or your team would like some further information on the products that I've just demonstrated or some further training, please do head over to greenmilldesign.com and register your one-to-one training session via our calendar. Otherwise, please feel free to send an email. Thanks for listening. Hope to hear from you soon.